guys, what's up? My name is Attribution and welcome to my channel called Fansa. So today I'll be doing an unboxing video of some of the art supply which I recently brought from a website called Arteza. So here are some of the stuff. This one is 72 color pencils and there's Arteza 60 gouache colors. Yeah. And on their page they have some awesome art supply for beginners and for the professional life. So I say go and have a look. The link is down in the description. So I thought it will be fun if you just start off by unboxing everything and get a first impression like. So let's not waste our time and get back to the video and do the unboxing. Boom. So the first thing up is the expert coloring pencil of 72 different shades, as you can see. So hasn't opened this up yet, so let's crack the roasting. So as you see at the back of the case, you can see the different list of the shades down there. As you see, a lot of them different shades. Like, I'm just kind of impressed. So let's not waste time and let's open the tin and see what we get inside. Damn, man, look at the shades, look at these colors. Basically, there's 3 trays of colors. As you see, if you just look at the case, I can see it's well made and designed. I'm kind of becoming the fan of it. We get lots of different shades out here. So the second shop is about this set of gouache paints. I've been wanting to get into this gouache for a really long time and try them out. And again, as you see at the back of the case, you can see all the different shades out there. So the look of it is pretty good, as well as the design of the box. As you can see, basically they are in trays based on their color family. So there's yellow shades, there's a tray of yellow shades, the green and blue, and all the other shades. Basically, the purple one is my favorite. And the last but not the least, these are the Arteza 32 sheets watercolor pets. The quality of the paper are really good, so I can't wait to try them out. Next video I'll be trying this all the supplies. So till then, stay tuned. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Give it a like, and I'll be doing a couple of more videos on the supplies. So till then, stay tuned and stay home, stay safe. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Till then, stay tuned. Have a nice day.